Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we have a side-by-side comparison between the Pixel 3 and the Galaxy S10e. Now these are about the same size a phone overall, but the S10e is actually smaller and it has a bigger display. So I think it's really kind of interesting to see the two side by side, and all in all, you can really see the difference of just how much better the S10e utilizes that display, and screen to body ratio is just so much better. And it's really interesting because not only do you get obviously a much brighter display and just in my opinion a better overall build quality, but they're very just one-handed friendly. So I think it's going to be a really interesting side-by-side comparison between these two. All in all, I do think, yes, the S10e might be a little bit more fingerprint prone, but you get a lot more features, and on a normal price basis, it is going at $749, so it's even less expensive, and I think you're getting a lot more bang for your buck between these two. All in all, I am very interested to see what you guys think, and yeah, overall, I think this is really going to be a good comparison between these two, and I'm curious, which one do you like better overall, design wise, screen wise? Which one are you guys leaning towards? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there, and right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.